Children, good morning all. Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain you 5.6 exercise 5.6 problems. In the last class, we have done this division as usual in the normal division, right? But today I am going to tell you another method. Let us start the first one here. 469.2 divided by 6. That means we can write it as 469.2 by 6. Okay. If we move the decimal point, should be the same. If the number of decimal points moved should be the same, both in the numerator and denominator. That means moving the decimal point here by one place to the right. 4692. After this, if we are moving, it will be here like 0. By moving one, actually it is here. Nothing is there means 6.0 will be there. We are moving one digit to the right. It will become 60. Okay. 60.0. That means 4692 by 6060. Okay, now what we are doing here? We are moving the decimal point in the dividend to the right of the it until it is a whole number. Until it is a whole number and count the number of places moved. Similarly, move the decimal point of the divisor too. First we have to check the divisor. Without the decimal point, we want to do the division now. That's why we are moving the decimal point by how many places we have to check and then we have to place it. Okay. Here it is a decimal point. Here it is a decimal point. It has a decimal point before one digit. Yes, in the decimal part there are only one digit there is. So we are moving one digit to the decimal point by one place to the right. Okay. And then only we are going to do the division. Now divide as usual. 4692 divided by 60. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48 is big. So we are taking 7 times. 6 7 are 42. Here 1 0 is there. So place 0. Now 9 minus 0 9. 6 minus 2 4. And here 2. 6 7 are 42. 6 8 are 48. 6 9 are 54 is big. So 6 9 8 are 48. 48 after that 1 0 we are right. Now 2 here 1 here. Now 12 is the yes. Now put the decimal point. Yes, we have to do the division until we get 0. So put the decimal point here, right? 0. When we are putting the decimal point here, we have to put 0. And then it is 2 times in 60 table. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. After that 1 0. So our answer is 78.2. What is our answer? Therefore, 469.2 divided by 6 is equal to 78.2. Okay children, 78.2. Now coming to the next problem. This is B1. 48.024 divided by 12. If you observe in the first number, there are 3 digits in the decimal part. So we have to move the decimal point to 3 places to the right. How many places? 3 places. It should be here. Then it will be up here. So 48.024 by 12 is equal to 48024 by 1 to after the 3 digits. Actually it is here. Nothing is there means it will be here. Right? 3 digits after means you have to place 3 zeros. So this is 12,000. So this is 12,000. Now 48024 by 12,000. Divide. We know that 12 table, right? 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48. So 4 times if you take 48. Here we have 3 zeros. That's why place 3 zeros. Okay. Now 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 0 2, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Okay. No need to write also. No problem. Next 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. But here there are 3 zeros. So put 1 point and write 0. We want 2 more. So put 1 0 here and write 1 0. Again put 1 0 and write here 1 0. Now this is 2 times. So 24,000. 24,000 minus 24,000, 0. This is quotient and this is the remainder. Now we can write 48024 divided by 48.024 is divided by 12 is equal to 4.002. This is the answer.